Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn global and static variables. So we can see how to use global and static variables, right? So we can create one file. File name is global, right, and static variable, right? We can open this file. Just remove this, right? We can easily simple. We can define one variable. Execute here. Use this variable, right? Value is 1, and we can define the function, normal function. Function name is test, right? And inside the function we can use the variable. Value is 3, right? And we can use the echo variable in the breakdown. Very simple, as usual. Issue, and we can start from print, right? Here is, we can start from first one is test, right? And again is echo variable, right? And we can use the guideline, right? Let's see. Bring in browser is the file name, global static variables, right? So we can go into here, right? And we can put it this. P2, as usual. First run execute the function. The function define, we are defining 3, and outside we are defining 1. Very simple. So no issue. We can copy from this, right? And we can use the header line. Right, right, and one more, right? Just we are defining here global, global tag, right? Very simple. Now we can change the test one and one. The function name is different, right? Now we can print this. Now see, this is 3. Same thing. We can just defining the global variable. So basically, global variable we can use the define the value of the super value. We can never overwrite any function, right? Any variables. We can define the global here, so never overwrite any variables, right? So we need that's reason we can use the global. And second one is static. So how can you use the static? Suppose I'm defining the same thing here, right? One more function, right? We can define here echo header. We can use here, and the function name is 2. Right here is also using 2. Right now we can use here variable plus plus, right? And we can use, okay, we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now we can run again. So just see 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Nothing changed. And we can define the static variable from here, right? From static, from here the static, no need from global. From here just define here static, just define a static here, right? Now what happened? See this 3, 4, 5, 6. This is increment. So That time you want to like increase every time your looping comes and increase one value. So we need define the static, and you want to like define the super global variable. You want to never change or never overwrite any variable, so you can use the global. So this is global and a static use. If you have any query, any doubt about the static and global, please comment me, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.